Andy Weir's Project Hail Mary is a thrilling science fiction adventure that combines cutting-edge scientific concepts with heart-pounding suspense and unexpected humor. The novel follows Ryland Grace, a middle school science teacher who wakes up alone on a spaceship with no memory of his mission or how he got there. Weir's trademark blend of hard science and accessible storytelling shines throughout the book. The author's meticulous research and attention to detail create a believable near-future scenario, while his engaging prose keeps the complex scientific concepts from overwhelming the narrative. The plot unfolds at a perfect pace, alternating between Grace's current predicament and flashbacks that gradually reveal the high-stakes nature of his mission. Weir's ability to create tension and wonder in equal measure keeps readers invested in both the cosmic threat and Grace's personal journey. One of the novel's greatest strengths is its exploration of themes such as the nature of humanity, the importance of cooperation, and the drive for scientific discovery. The introduction of an alien character adds depth to these themes and provides some of the book's most touching and humorous moments. Project Hail Mary is a stellar addition to the science fiction genre, offering a perfect blend of scientific intrigue, character development, and pure entertainment.